what's up? It's your boy JQ. This is my colony, or Capitanalis Flores colony. I gave them a test tube cell for them go inside, but they must not like it that much. Oh shit, gave them a heart attack. They must not like it that much. And there goes the colony. Yeah, I scared the crap out of them by mistake. Didn't mean to do that. But yeah, they're all paranoid now, going left and right. They're having a heart attack and made a mistake. They got Brew. Take this cover off so you can see better. And yeah, there they go. They got a good amount of Brew and they got a decent amount of this. So let me see what's going on here. Yeah, I gotta top their fluids up. But I thought I'd give them some protein. I'm gonna have to get something else. I might put them in something else. Instead of test tube cell, I might just put them in a Tar Heel nest since they probably enjoy it more. So I won't give them a heart attack. So that's what I'll probably do. But I thought I'd just feed them really quick. This is a quick video I wanted to do really quick, a quick update, feeding the colony really fast. And if you like the video, just like, comment, subscribe. If you want to see more, definitely will post in the future again. And I'm definitely gonna change this cell. This test tube cell is not working out for them. They keep on, the queen continues to keep on going to the outworld. I've just been busy myself to put them in the nest, but since they're always going back in the outworld, I'm just gonna get them a nest. A wood nest be perfect, but they're kind of expensive to buy, especially a good one. So maybe in the future, but not now. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.